Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to see how to select the region of interest area from our video frame. But before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much and let's get started. So friends, as I told you, we are going to see how to select particular region of interest area from our video frame. So simply I'm going to open the Tony editor, and here we have the video file. Okay, and this is what the code, as we always do for reading the video frame. Okay, so simply first I'm going to run the code and then we will have our frame. Okay, so this is what our frame, as you can see there is a live traffic. Okay, and in this particular video, suppose I want to select a particular region of interest area. In this case I just want to select this and this area for tracking the cars, for tracking the moving cars. So how to select the region of interest area from this video frame? Okay, so simply stop the code. So here after cap we need to mention again red frame cap dot read. So copy it, just paste here, then we are going to resize our frame. So copy it and just paste. Then we are going to mention here, after that resizing our frame, we are going to mention our select ROI function. So ROI is equal to, again ROI is just a variable, cv2 dot select, then capital ROI, and inside that we are going to mention our frame. Okay, that's it. So ROI is just a variable, ROI is equal to our function cv2 dot select ROI then frame. Okay, so simply save the code and then run code. Then we will have here our first frame with ROI selector. As you can see, the window name is ROI selector. This is what the by default window. Okay, ROI selector, and here you will see select a ROI and then press space or enter button. Now we need to select the ROI first, then we are going to select the space or enter button. Okay, so let's just select first our region of interest area from this frame. So here I am going to simply move the mouse on the frame and select the region of interest area like this way, and just click on the mouse button and create the bounding box like this way. That's it. Then what we want to do here, if you see, I just move the cursor, then there is x and y coordinates, as you can see, and these coordinates are continuously changing. Okay, because this is what the coordinates of our mouse cursor. Okay, so what we want to do, we want to move the cursor on this particular area, this corner of our bounding box or of our rectangle. As you can see, this corner, this one, if you move the cursor on this corner, then we will have the x and y coordinates for this corner. Okay, if you just move like this way, so x is 95 and y is 244 for this particular corner. As you can see, x is 94 or 94 and y is 244. So we are going to mention here the coordinates 94 and 244. Then what we want to do here, we want to move again our cursor over here for this corner, this one. Okay, so we need to move our cursor here, then we will have the x and y coordinates for this particular corner. Okay, so 267 and 378. So 267 and 378 like this way. Okay, so this is what our coordinates for our region of interest area. Okay, as you can see, the 94, 244, 267 and 378. Now simply make the hash in front of the coordinates. So now we have our region of interest area. Now simply stop the code. Okay, now what we want to do, we want to use these coordinates inside our code. So how to do this? Simply we are going to go after the frame, and here we are going to mention our ROI coordinates. So I am going to uncomment these coordinates. Okay, then what we want to do here, we want to again create here ROI is just a variable, ROI is equal to, what we want to do, we need to first select this value 244 and this value 378. Okay, so 244 and 378. So we are going to mention with frame, our frame, and then square bracket, and inside that we need to mention first 244 and 378. So just mention it 244 colon 378, then comma, then again the first value 94 and the third one 267. Okay, so let's just mention it 94 shift colon 267. So again I am going to explain it here, the coordinates, how to mention it. ROI is just a variable, and where we want to basically draw the region of interest area, of course on our frame. So we need to mention the frame, then first we need to select the second coordinates and the last coordinate, second one and the last. So second is 244, so I have to mention 244, then colon, then last coordinate 378, then comma, then first coordinate is 94, then the third one coordinate is 267. So this is how we want to mention our region of interest area inside the code. Now we have done with the coordinates, simply make a comment. Okay, now we want to show our region of interest area, so simply I am going to again create another in show, simply copy it and then paste it, because we want to show also now the region of interest area from our frame. So we need to show again our frame. Okay, so CV2 in show, also we want to change the frame name, the frame window name also. So frame 1, and this is what our original frames. So also friends, now we have done with the region of interest area. Now we don't want these coordinates, so simply I am going to make comment for frame and ROI. Okay, and also the rate and frame, the capital function. Okay, so simply save the code, and if I run the code, now as you can see, we will have here, this one is our original frame and this one is our region of interest area. As you can see, as I told you, I am interested only this particular area of the road. So here as you can see, we have successfully created a region of interest area from our frame. So this is how you can select the region of interest area from your frame. I hope you would learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.